Welcome to our new video. If you're on the hunt for the best clippers for balding, you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the top balding clippers to help you achieve that clean, smooth look from the comfort of your home. Whether you're after a close shave or just want to maintain a tight buzz, we got you covered. Stick around to learn about their features, ease of use, and what makes them the best in the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more grooming tips. Number 1. Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper, Model 8110. Engineered with a powerful V5000 Plus electromagnetic motor, this clipper is designed to deliver precision and efficiency. The 2105 balding blade ensures ultra-close trimming, outlining, and full-head balding with ease. Crafted for professional barbers and stylists, this clipper boasts exceptional durability and reliability. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a valuable investment for any grooming arsenal. The ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use, allowing for precise control and effortless maneuverability. With its exceptional effectiveness, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper offers unparalleled results, leaving behind a flawlessly smooth finish every time. Whether you're maintaining a bold look or crafting intricate designs, this clipper delivers consistent and professional-grade performance. Despite its premium features, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper remains affordable, offering excellent value for its quality. Upgrade your grooming routine with this top-tier clipper and experience the difference for yourself. And number 2. Check out our premium Barber clippers for professional hair cutting. Crafted for precision and durability, these clippers are ideal for barbers, stylists, and at-home grooming enthusiasts alike. With a high-performance motor, they deliver powerful cutting action, ensuring smooth and effortless haircuts every time. The ergonomic design makes these clippers comfortable to use even during extended grooming sessions. With adjustable blade settings, you can easily tailor the clipper to achieve various cutting lengths and styles. The sharp, stainless steel blades are designed for long-lasting performance and provide precise, clean cuts without snagging or pulling hair. These clippers are not just effective, they're also built to last. The durable construction ensures they can withstand the demands of a busy salon or barbershop. They're also perfect for at-home use, allowing you to maintain your hair with professional results. Despite their professional-grade features, these clippers come at an affordable price, offering excellent value for your grooming needs. Whether you're looking for a close shave, a fade, or a full haircut, our Barber clippers for professional hair cutting are the ideal tool. Number 3. Experience easy, convenient grooming with the Remington Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit. Designed for those who prefer a DIY approach to haircuts, this cordless electric razor is perfect for trimming your head, beard, and body with precision. The innovative curved blade adapts to the contours of your head, allowing for a clean and even cut every time. This versatile razor is completely waterproof, enabling you to use it in the shower for added convenience. The cordless design and long-lasting lithium battery provide up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for those quick touch-ups or full grooming sessions. If you're in a rush, the 5-minute quick charge feature gives you enough power for a single use. Durability is key with the Remington Shortcut Pro, built with high-quality materials designed to withstand regular use. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades ensure a consistently smooth cut without tugging or pulling, while the adjustable combs offer a range of lengths for versatile styling. With all these features, you'd expect a high price tag, but the Remington Shortcut Pro is affordably priced, offering exceptional value. Number 4. The Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Cordless Detailer Lid Model 8171 is the ultimate tool for barbers seeking precision and versatility. This cordless detailer is designed for extremely close trimming, allowing you to create crisp, clean lines with ease. The extended blade design ensures you have the accuracy and control needed for intricate detailing work. With a powerful lithium-ion battery, the cordless detailer Li offers up to 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This extended battery life provides you with the flexibility to work through a busy day without interruption. The cordless design also adds to the convenience, allowing you to move freely around your workstation. Durability is a hallmark of the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series. Built to withstand the demands of a professional barbershop, the cordless detailer Li is constructed with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. The stainless steel blades are engineered for consistent, smooth cuts, ensuring a crisp finish every time. Despite its professional-grade features, this cordless detailer is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for its quality. Whether you're a seasoned barber or an aspiring stylist, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Cordless Detailer Lee is the perfect addition to your grooming toolkit. Number 5. Oster Professional Hair Clippers Classic 76. Your trusted companion for precise and reliable haircuts. Crafted with a timeless design and built to last, these clippers exude quality and durability. Featuring a powerful motor and detachable blades, the Oster Classic 76 delivers exceptional cutting performance, effortlessly gliding through all hair types with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, allowing for extended use without hand fatigue. Renowned for its effectiveness, these clippers provide professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home or salon. The sharp blades and adjustable settings offer versatility, allowing you to achieve your desired haircut with precision and accuracy. Built to withstand the demands of daily use, the Oster Professional Hair Clippers are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance. Plus, with its affordable price point, it offers exceptional value for its quality and reliability. Experience the confidence of a flawless haircut with the Oster Professional Hair Clippers Classic 76. Whether you're a professional barber or DIY enthusiast, these clippers are guaranteed to exceed your expectations. Upgrade your grooming arsenal with the Oster Classic 76 and achieve salon-quality results every time. Number 6. BaBylissPRO FX Plus and METALFX Professional Cordless Clippers, the ultimate grooming tool for precision haircuts and styling. Crafted with a sleek and modern design, these clippers boast a professional-grade build that exudes quality and durability. Featuring a powerful motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, the BaBylissPRO FX Plus and METALFX clippers deliver exceptional cutting performance, effortlessly gliding through all hair types with precision and ease. Whether you're creating fades, trims, or intricate designs, these clippers offer versatility and control for flawless results every time. The cordless design provides flexibility and convenience, allowing for use anywhere, anytime. With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted grooming on a single charge. Plus, the included charging stand ensures your clippers are always ready for use. Built to withstand the rigors of professional use, the BaBylissPRO FX Plus and METALFX clippers are constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Priced competitively, they offer exceptional value for their premium quality and performance. Experience the precision and power of BaBylissPRO FX Plus and METALFX clippers and elevate your grooming routine to the next level. Whether you're a professional stylist or an at-home enthusiast, these clippers are guaranteed to exceed your expectations. Upgrade your grooming arsenal with BaBylissPRO FX Plus and METALFX clippers and achieve salon-quality results with ease. Number 7. ConairMAN Dual Voltage Hair Clippers for Men, the ultimate grooming companion for men on the go. Designed with versatility in mind, these clippers boast a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand for precise and effortless grooming. Featuring dual voltage capability, these clippers are perfect for travel, allowing you to maintain your desired hairstyle wherever you go. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades deliver exceptional cutting performance, ensuring smooth and even results with every use. With multiple attachment combs and adjustable settings, the ConairMAN hair clippers offer versatility for all your grooming needs. Whether you're trimming your beard, shaping your hair, or maintaining a buzz cut, these clippers provide the flexibility and control to achieve your desired look. Built to last, the ConairMAN hair clippers are constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability for long-term use. Priced competitively, they offer exceptional value for their premium quality and performance. Experience the convenience and versatility of the ConairMAN Dual Voltage Hair Clippers for Men and take your grooming routine to the next level. Whether you're at home or on the road, these clippers are the perfect solution for achieving professional quality results with ease. Thanks for tuning into our review of the best balding clippers. We hope this video helped you find the perfect tool for your grooming needs. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and grooming tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.